Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt, and you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Make sure to do not forget to run the command prompt as an administrator because this will let you or let the command work. So type here sfc space forward slash scan now. So just do the same thing as what I have done. It's sfc space forward slash scan now, and then you have to hit enter. So this process will take some time depending on your Windows. The duration of this process differ from Windows to Windows. Anyway, once this is not yet done, do not close out of this window. You can just simply minimize this. So let's just minimize that for now and move to the next method. Type CMD again. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. In here, you need to type this command, dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health and hit enter. And this process will also take some time, again, depending on your Windows. The duration is or different from Windows to Windows. So here's a tip. In some cases, you might get stuck at a certain percentage, and I can say that you just need to press the space key in your keyboard. Just continuously press that until the process will continue, because there are some users that says they are getting stuck at a certain percentage and they don't know what to do. So here's a tip: just simply press the space key on your keyboard, and once this is done, then just simply goes out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Reset this PC, click on it. And here's the very important note: do not click on it right away. But what you can do is that you need to simply back up all of your personal files, apps, and settings, including your data. I mean, like everything on your Windows, you need to back up that. Then after that, you just need to simply click on remove everything. Then here you have to click on cloud download. So the current settings removes apps and files when clean the drive, delete all files only from Windows, and download and reinstall Windows. So after you have backed up everything on your Windows, then you just have to click on next and your PC will be restarted. And right after that, you need to sign in again into your account. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.